Happy birthday, Laju. Happy 60th birthday. We rejoice with your birthday and you have many, many more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Laju. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you. Always be happy.
Yeah, Laju, we always see you as a kind person, loving person. And there's one special incident that I just wanted to share of your goodness towards the family, especially for Ram. When you came from Australia, you came to Singapore, and you saw Ram's condition was not so good, and then you help him out, you encourage him, you love him, you even bring him for manicure, pedicure, to groom him, even for a haircut, even you did facial for him also. So that is something that I felt of your love, not only for one person, I think for the whole family you are the same. And especially even when you used to come to Singapore, wow, we will all, the whole family will come together, especially in Narayan's Indonesia house. All of us will be invited over there, and we will have a good fun over there with nice food and a nice time together. So we love you very much, sister, and actually we are very, very happy for you, and we bless you.
Yes, Laju, we love you so much. When you want to come, we miss you all the family. God bless you. Always be happy.
Yeah, we sing a little short song
Yes.
about your birthday. Bar bar din ye aaye, bar bar din ye aaye, tu jiyo hazaron saal, ye mere hai aarzu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Laju. Happy birthday to you. So stay blessed, Laju.
Yes.
We love you. The whole family
We
love
love
you.
you. We love you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
जैसे आँखों में हो शोखियाँ, जैसे होठों पे हो सुर्खियाँ,
जैसे सावन में छावे जिया, जैसे सजनी के संग हो पिया, दिया और बाती
हम साथ साथ हैं, जन्मों के साथी हम साथ साथ हैं। फूलों में
खुशबू है,
इस दिल में
एक तू है,
जन्मों के साथी
हम साथ साथ हैं,
जन्मों के साथी हम साथ साथ हैं। जैसे आँखों में हो शोखियाँ, जैसे होठों पे हो सुर्खियाँ,
जैसे सावन में छावे जिया, जैसे सजनी के संग हो।
वीडियो
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू Laju, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, Laju. Happy 60th birthday. You are the most amazing person in the world. We all love you, love you, love you. Okay, see you. Bye.
God bless you.
बड़ी बहन बुला बुलाना, बड़ी बहन बुला बुलाना।
Now tying. You can. Nara, you got 2 rakris from me. How lucky you are.
Yeah.
3.
And how many did you have with you?
So many.
Narek, or how many sisters?
Oh.
More than 3.
Yes, Lucky Bandano. Okay, lovely brother. The best boy in the whole world. Wow. Give Dokalada. Yeah. I'm holding for you. I'm holding a little bit. Okay. Thank you.
No drama.
Okay, the drama will be you all have to say something about your sisters.
A beautiful sister, very good sister.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Laju. All the best for you.
Happy 60th birthday, Laju. We met when we were in our 20s and today you're 60, but you look amazing. Have a wonderful celebration with your balloons and cake and noisemakers. I know how much you love birthdays. Have a great time. We miss you. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday.
Enjoy your 60th birthday. Bye-bye.
Om Namo Shivaya. Wishing you a very, very happy 60th birthday, dearest darling Laju. It is a real blessing having you in my life. You are a very kind and loving person. Words cannot express my gratitude towards you for all that you have done for me and my family. After coming back from India, you have really been my backbone, helping me all the way. You have a warm heart and a very welcoming home. With Lex being ill and me being all confused, you were by my side all along. From moving to my apartment and Lex going to the hospital and the dialysis and the nursing home, you were always ready to help me. At his last days, you helped me with all that had to be done with the funeral and also with the final journey. I really cannot thank you enough, but you are always in my prayers and in my gratitude. I pray that you always be healthy, happy, and full of joy, and that joy you will always share with everybody around you. God bless you, dearest. Lots of loves, Maya.
Hi Laju, happy birthday. Wish you all the best for the coming years. We've been together for so long, we've been friends for over 30 years. Although we don't see each other that often as we used to, the love is still there. So I just wanted to wish you all the best for the birthday and thank you for being Benny's Rakhi sister. He really appreciates it even though he might not say it to you. Anyway, a drink for you for your birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi sis, I hope all is good and safe. Wish you all the best. I just appreciate you always been there for me. And I remember some really old good stories. Some of them are a bit rude, so I can't say anything now. Remember once we went to a trip where Girish was there in the room as well and things happened, that kind of jazz. I just wish you all the best and I love you. All the best.